How to fix WhatsApp voice message not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message not downloading on Android phone. First go to settings and then go to storage and click clean up, and here you can clean your storage. Just clean some space here, like you can clean junk files. Click on it, and here you can click 1 GB, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, apps. Here you will find apps, click on it and then click apps again, and here just type WhatsApp and you will find it and click on it. Now just go to storage and clear cache. Now just try again and your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.